Hello and welcome. It's Tony Zayas here, and today we're going to be talking about landing pages. We're going to talk about inbound marketing 101. We're going to talk about what you need to know about attracting visitors. So, with that, I'm going to dive right in, and we're going to talk here about um, just some basics and important things to know about developing landing pages for purposes of inbound marketing and understanding kind of where in the funnel the landing page fits in. So if we look at this image here that's on the screen, we see that we're going to turn ultimately those strangers into visitors as they go down the funnel, into leads, into customers, into promoters. And we're going to do that by attracting, converting, closing, and then delighting. If you notice that landing page optimization is the second step down the funnel. So we're taking that broad traffic that's out there, moving them through a landing page, and then turning them into prospects, leads, and ideally customers, evangelists, etc. So it's really the gateway from stranger and just random visitor to someone who's engaged, so start to be able to build a relationship with that audience member. So landing pages are one of the most important parts of your website. And if you're not building them correctly, you could be losing out on a significant number of potential customers. So let's talk about what a landing page actually is. So landing page is a specific type of web page where visitors land and they're entering through, let's say, a search engine. If a search engine finds that page, they click on the link, they end up at this landing page. In short, they're usually the first thing that a customer sees, and they shouldn't be confused with deeper content like a sales page, for instance, or for specific product pages and more. Normal landing pages take on several forms. So first of all, you could have blog posts. Blog posts are intended to be found directly, and then typically they're used to encourage people to move deeper into that sales funnel with the call to action. So many visitors enjoy blog pages because they're not as obviously based around sales as other type of content. And if you're especially funny, witty, or if you give away good information, they're going to be more interested in hearing what else you have to say via a blog post. We have introduction pages. So introduction pages serve as a way to tell people about your company, about a service perhaps. So these pages tend to be targeted to specific terms and ideas that people are entering into search engines. A landing page for, let's say, children's toys, as an example, that might highlight a company's selection of creative, affordable, and child-safe entertainment products. Landing pages are also one of the best ways of sorting through your potential leads. A well-targeted page will immediately tell the user whether or not it's what they're looking for, and it's going to try to avoid attracting anyone who isn't interested in the product. So the setup contributes to a drastically improved conversion rate. That's important to remember, that a bounce rate as high as 50% is still considered to be inside a healthy range. People are going to bounce from pages. Many companies use their front page as a landing page, but that's increasingly less practical as people begin to arrive and find your site or your different pages on your website through different places and locations. Note that most landing pages are inaccessible from the rest of the site. So people can visit your main page from them, but they'll never see a list of how many landing pages you actually have. So you can have a bunch of landing pages, and when you go to the home page, you won't have any evidence of those landing pages. All right, so what landing pages are not? So landing pages are not areas to promote your company. People rarely search for a specific company unless they have a good reason to. Instead, they're searching for products, services, goods, even information that'll help them solve a problem that they're having. That's important. So it's a useful resolution to a challenge that they're having. So this is where many companies get confused, despite how simple it is to create a landing page that benefits the business. So when you ask yourself, what's a landing page going to look like for my company, you should keep your customer in mind and focus on ways to address their concerns. Landing pages are not the ideal time to talk about bargains or opportunities either. The idea is to focus on helping someone decide if you have what they need, then to make them a good offer. So how many landing pages should I have? Well, many businesses with a high number of landing pages, some have over 100, right? They tend to see a significantly higher number of leads coming in. So to use an analogy, say you run a business specializing in cupcakes. Well, some people might do a generic search for cupcake stores, but others are going to do searches for things like best chocolate cupcakes or healthiest vegan cupcakes. Your explanations of the delicious cupcakes won't go over well with the vegan crowd, and nobody craving chocolate is going to look twice at an ad for a truly healthy cupcake, right? So they have to be specific to target audience. By using multiple landing pages, it allows you the opportunity to reap the full benefits of advertising to different interests. So what is a landing page if not your best opportunity to sell yourself to a specific group? Hint, it's nothing worth making. So if you'd like to learn more about inbound marketing and you found that helpful, which we certainly hope you did, visit performadurkey.com/inbound-marketing. So again, that's performadurkey.com/inbound-marketing. We'll send you more information and help you out. And even if you visit the site, you notice there is a free website SEO report available. I do encourage you to take a look at that.